Morning to all of you. Let's continue our part 6, class 9, chapter 2. Concentration of a solution means how you can say that solution is concentrated, that solution is not concentrated, or that is a dilute solution, or that is a saturated solution. So on the amount of solute means depending upon the amount of solute present in a solution, it can be called dilute, concentrated, or saturated. In dilute solution, solute is less and solvent is high. Clear? In dilute solution, solute is less and solvent is high. Suppose that one full glass of water and 1 spoon of sugar. So it's a solute is less and solvent is high. That type of solutions known as dilute solutions. And concentrated, when the amount of solute is high and amount of solvent is low. Clear? Means as an example, you can take a sugar solution, that is more concentration. Means half glass of water and full glass of sugar when you prepare chashni. This is a more concentrated, in solute is high and solvent is low. Next, saturated solution. What are saturated solution? At a particular point, the maximum amount of solute which can be dissolved means no more solute can dissolve in it. No more solute can dissolve in it. Means at that point, after that solute stop to dissolve in a solvent. That point is known as saturation, and that type of solution known as saturated solution. I hope all three solutions are clear to you on the basis of the amount of solid particle. Clear? Now, how to calculate concentration of a solution? किसी भी solution की concentration कैसे find out करेंगे? ठीक है, means amount of solute निकालना है एक तरह से. तो concentration of a solution is equal to amount of solute upon amount of solution और amount of solvent. अब दोनों में से कोई भी एक चीज लेके इसको find कर सकते हैं. Clear? Method for expressing concentration of solution. Although there are so many methods for finding out the concentration of solution, but at your standard there are two main methods. Come here. Mass by mass percentage of a solution. This is given to you in your question कि how they want answer to you, mass by mass or mass by volume. So when they ask mass by mass percentage of a solution, you put this formula mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. And when mass by volume percentage of a solution, then you put the formula mass of solute upon mass of volume into 100. Clear? Okay, it will be more clear to you by an example. Look here. A solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Means 320 gram क्या है? Solvent. 40 gram solute. Now calculate the concentration in term of mass by mass percentage. As I told you, the question asks you as mass by mass or mass by volume. So mass by mass percentage of the solution. Let's start the solution. Mass of solute means that is salt you taken, that is 40 gram. Mass of solvent, that is your water, 320 gram. We know mass of solution. क्या होगा mass of solution? Solution में क्या क्या है? Solute plus solvent. Then mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Clear? So mass of solute 40 gram and mass of solvent 320 gram. When you add both these, it is 360 gram. Now you have to put that formula which I told you. Just mass by mass. There, mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Now, mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Now, 40 by 360. 360 is the mass of solution which you find out by adding both the masses. So, 40 upon 360 into 100 is equal to 11.1%. Means this is the percentage of concentration. This is the concentration of that solution. Thank you, class. We will continue more in our next video. Till that, try to practice by changing the digit in the same question.